In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color automatically based on value in Microsoft Excel. This is a really useful technique when you want Excel to visually organize your data for you. Instead of checking every score one by one, you can set up conditional formatting so the cell color changes automatically depending on the value inside it. In this example, we'll format score cells, so higher scores appear green, middle range scores appear yellow, and lower scores appear red. To begin, highlight the score cells you want to format. For example, if your scores are in cells B2 through B6, select that range. It's important to choose the correct cells first because Excel will apply the formatting rules only to the selected area. Next, open Conditional Formatting. To do that, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Once you're on the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. This opens a menu with several formatting options. From that menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules. This section lets you create rules based on the values inside the selected cells. Now, create the first rule for scores that are 80 or above. In Highlight Cells Rules, click Greater Than. In the value box, enter 79. This works because any number greater than 79 will include 80 and above. Then choose a green fill option so high scores stand out clearly and click OK. You should immediately see qualifying cells turn green. After that, create the second rule for scores between 50 and 79. Go back to conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules and choose between. Enter 50 in the first box and 79 in the second box. Then select a yellow fill and click OK. This will mark the mid-range scores in yellow, making them easy to identify at a glance. Finally, create the third rule for scores below 50. Once again, go to Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cells Rules and select Less Than. Enter 50. Choose a red fill and click OK. Any score under 50 will now appear in red. At this point, your selected cells should automatically change color based on their values. One helpful thing about this setup is that if the numbers change later, the colors will update automatically without needing to redo the formatting. That makes this especially useful for grading sheets, reports, and dashboards. And that's how to change cell color automatically based on value in Microsoft Excel.